Hi guys, so I'm about to record this session. The reason is, sometimes we may feel some people could not able to, join the meeting for some reason, some valid reasons. So I would prefer to record this session and would like to, paste the same thing in the WhatsApp group that where we are, so that they can able to get the, overall idea about what they had missed. All right. So this session is going to be this session is going to be something short. Right now, the session is about a few tips about how to do Facebook marketing, and then about what is about marketing funnel and sales funnel, and then about what is the status that is going on for the promotions that we are doing it still now. Okay. All right. So Facebook, let me to show you a small idea, a tip. So here we have, so this is the one post that I had posted something around 1 hour before. So this is a post that I had posted something around 3 hours before. Okay, so I had got some eight, some comments and two likes for an example, and I had to see some comments. Okay, so what is the tips that possibly we can able to do is, we had generated some good amount of likes, we had generated some good amount of comments. Okay, so that means we had created some marketing material for the audience who are going to see this particular post for the first time, right? So let me to check whether the recording is properly going on. Yes, I believe it is working fine. All right. So so this post, when somebody sees, they will consider that this is some post which is interesting, and somebody is making the comment, right? So once this post is started to getting the engagement, what we can able to do is, what is the option that we have is, for an example, I'm going to choose this particular post and I'm going to use the edit option. In this edit option, I'm going to change the complete content. Instead, I'm going to add a URL. So in order to add a URL, uh, I have to find that URL first. Okay, so I'm going to copy the YouTube video, and which I'm going to paste it in the particular post. I think if we paste it like this, we may not able to see the video. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to completely erase this, and I'm going for the normal post. Here I'm going to paste this video. All right. So I had uploaded a live session of video which we had already did, and what I'm going to do is, at the top line, I'm going to add the training. All right. Great. So now I'm going to close this particular link, so that I will be getting the second link. All right. You got it right. If there are two links, one link will show. If that is not the appropriate link, just close that link. Automatically, the second link will start to show. Okay. So here I had given the link, and I'm about to give one. Okay, one day workshop on SEO and Google Ads, right? Done. So I'm going to make the post, and even if it is, it will be valid that you can able to use some hashtags. All right. So I'm going to save this post. Right, guys. So what we have right now here is, I have to edit this link one more time. It is not clickable, so I have to give www dot, and I have to close this link. So YouTube link, it is not coming. So what I have to do is, I have to control X, and then I have to control V. Hope you understood, right? So the link, if we, I had taken the link and I had pasted the link one more time, so I had got this video. Then I'm going to go for the save option. All right, here we go. So we have the link which is for the training, and we had mentioned something small, and we can even mention something big as well. And we had uploaded a video, something which is not so catchy, but we want the people to view this video. So what we had did is we had made some curious question in the post, and we had got the engagement for the post. And from this engagement we had changed the particular advertisement to the one which can able to make the conversion. All right. So in this way we had made some optimized post which has been designed for the training program, and we had placed it right. So this is one of the technique, guys, which we can able to use in order to make the conversion ratio optimization. So we can able to improve the conversions with the help of some quality materials, but the quality materials has to be seen by the people, right? So in order to make them to see, we can use this kind of techniques in order to make the conversion process much smoother. All right. So this is one tip. And next thing what I was thinking of showing you is about the marketing funnel. Well, here we go. I had got something good. Anybody? Oh, this video is on. Okay, I close this. All right. So somebody's mic is switched on. Whose mic? Huma. Huma, can you switch off your mics? Huma, can you switch off your mics? Okay. So right now, where I was, talking about is right now I was talking about the marketing funnel. So uh, guys, here you can able to see, so this is the marketing funnel. In this marketing funnel, the top portion, which is from awareness to the qualified marketing qualified leads, it will become the marketing segment. Okay. And from the marketing sales qualified leads to the to the customer, it will become the sales process. Okay. So right now for the training program, what you are doing is you are doing the marketing activity, right? Hope you get my point, right? Somebody's mic is switched on. Who's that? Okay, no one. Might be some error. Hope you all can able to hear me. So if it is loud and clear, that is well and good. Okay. So where I was, yes. So marketing funnel. So what we are right now doing is the marketing activity. Okay. So that means we are making some post, and awareness is nothing but we are awareness is the thing which is the impressions, the number of impressions that we are showing the particular advertisement to the audience. Okay. And the lead capture is the people who gives yes, interested, or something like what is this, etc., etc. They are the lead capture people. Prospects are the one who comes to our messenger, or someone like who visited the website page. For an example, they are the prospects. Okay. So marketing qualified leads are someone who had registered in the particular particular page. Okay. Particular what to say, the landing page. Hope you understand. I repeat one more time. So awareness is the thing which how many people had seen the advertisement in social media that we had promoted. For an example, if 50,000 people had seen the advertisement that we had promoted, lead capture are the people who are interested. So the interested people will be something around, for an example, 1,000 or 1,050 for an example. Okay. So from this 1,050, prospects are the people who had from their reply, who had came to the website. If we give some link, and if they came to our website, they will become a prospect. Okay. They will become highly interested people, so they become our prospect. And the marketing qualified leads are the one who had registered in the particular form. If they are registered, that means they are really interested. They are really interested to go for that product, because we had given all those informations. Okay. And from there, the sales qualified leads are the leads which people who had responded for the call back from the salesperson. And something like opportunities leads are something on the next level of sales, and who makes the payment, they becomes a customer, right? So hope you understand all those things very clearly. So in our platform, this particular page acts as a something like a salesperson. That's how this particular page is acting on. So we do not require to speak with any clients, any customers, in order to make the conversion. But what I'm trying to say is, now comes the core point. So right now, there is a human something like a human nature, that when a salesperson speaks from here, from the lead capture, and makes to conversion, the conversion will be much higher. But we have to put a lot of time into that. Hope you understand, right? For an example, in the business there are two things: one is B2C business and B2B business. B2C are the products which are economical in value, lower price value. For an example, a products at 10 rupees, 20 rupees, or 40, 50, 100 rupees, for an example, those are B2C segment, where the end customer is purchasing in a lower pricing value. And what we are doing is also the same. We are doing a B2C segment, business to customers. So that means end customer is directly coming for training of the workshop or something, right? So we are doing a B2C business for a value which is something like 450,000, something like that. So right now, B2C segment, usually salespeople will not usually required to get engaged, because the value is less. They have to put a lot of effort. But initially, guys, because you guys are just starting to make the conversion and to make the to see the revenue as well as to enter in yourself, do the sales process manually. That's what my suggestion is. Okay, so you can also redirect the people directly to the landing page. Absolutely 100% agreeable. That is one method. And the other method is, take them to your messenger and chat with them and reply for their queries. And if they are saying really interested, then give the link, so they will go there and make the registration and make the payment. So you follow up till they are going to the registration page and making the payment. So that will become your sales process has been successfully completed. Okay. Why I'm suggesting you this option is, usually even you or me or anyone will be highly interested to speak with a person, if they are interested in some particular product, right? And also, if some particular salesperson is speaking with us, the communication will be of give and take, something like they will speak and we will receive, and we will speak and they will receive. So that will give some a better opportunity for understanding, and it will create a higher interest to make the conversion to happen. And the trust score will also be get increased, because they are speaking with some real person, and the money will not be lost, right? So if you, for an example, I'm saying, we redirect the people from the social media pages around 100 people, and from those 100 people, if we convert 9 people or 10 people, that is what the process which will happen automatically. Suppose if we directly interfere with their doubts and clarifications, we can able to convert around 75% of the people who are interested. So that is the ratio gap. What is the difference between a salesperson and an automated system at this point? But we will be finding some future better opportunities and options, through which you do not require to speak with them periodically. You can send a demo video to them, and that will speak with them, and we can able to save the time, and we can able to use the same copy paste content, and etc. The things are there. We will be exploring in all those elements. So guys, I have two options. I had given you two options. People who are all replying for the comment, you can redirect them to the website link. One option, well and good. Next option, take them to the messenger, ping them directly, message them, uh, okay, message them that we are into blah blah blah, and we are doing this, and etc. And from there, if you want, you can forward it to me. I can help you because if we share the WhatsApp number of my number, for an example, people who are really interested, they will come through the WhatsApp, and they will reach me to learn more. Okay. So otherwise, what we can able to do is, we can also reach them. That is not a problem. So initially, I can able to support you in this way to make the conversion to happen. So by this way, you can able to ensure that the client, the lead has been came through you, as well as it will give some better conversions. So two options: one is directly link them to the page. Otherwise, speak with them and answer their questions, and make the conversion to happen at the initial stage. Then in future, we have a lot of big plans that you can able to do. And even there are some plans that you can be something like give the instructions, and the people who are working with you, and who had came and joined with you in reference, for an example, whatever the benefits that are going to be there, whatever they are going to earn, you'll be earning. So it is like something like what we are going to make is going to be something what we are going to earn for all of us. All right. So this is what the information that I thought of conveying you to all. Then, guys. So right now I'm coming for the last point. So till now, the marketing activities are been happening. I'm not spending a lot of time on promoting all the elements online. The reason is because I'm trying to find and spending time to make you all to get equipped and ensuring that all the things are going fine. So in order to make those things to happen, I'm spending less time on online for promotional purpose. I spend my time on the quality place where there is a necessity for conversion of some 25,000, 35,000, or where the place that I require to speak with the customers to make the conversion to happen. All right. So right now, from the morning session, Satya Pramod has been already started yesterday itself, I think. And so I have received some details, inputs from Pragati Shashwal. He'll be joining in the evening. Anyway, so till now, from the activities of the people who are there, who are in our team, as well as from Gichoki, so we have received some good number of leads. For an example, here we can able to see one lead, one person is contacting me. He's speaking with me that he had reached me through after speaking with Gichogi, that hi Ritesh here, etc. And I had introduced himself, and he had mentioned I am very excited to learn e-commerce marketing because he had mentioned as e-commerce marketing. So it's a good idea. The words are speaking something powerful. Well and good. We can use it wherever it is required. And when the workshop will be conducted, so that is what his question. I'm going to handle him and I'm going to speak with him. Similarly, I had got something more. Like for an example, this is one client, 6 plus 6 3. I am not sure where it is, and he's not so much interested. He asked that whether it is free or not. There is a different story. And this is a customer. He's from Kuldeep and looking for some tips and etc etc etc. And I told, shall I call and speak with him? He told we will connect by 7 o'clock. Okay. Anyway, and apart from this, I have some more clients in Cameron. I was speaking with the client, and as well as well, the next things were going on. So, guys, what I'm trying to say is, if one day, if you all can get a cube, you all can able to generate some 10 leads, for an example. Okay. So, and on a proper conversion and on their interest, for an example, we can able to convert some 5 people at least. Then five into five, or 1% is going to be 25. So into 4 is equal to 100. Okay. But still, we are running shortage of time. Let us try our level best, because what we achieve right now, that is going to be the mark for us for the next level. Okay. So if we achieve some good number, next number has to be double times of what we are going to achieve. Similarly, the rewards are going to be okay. So consider that this is a marketing exercise for you, rather than whether it is going to be a revenue generation for you or blah blah blah. There is a different story. But you had learned, and you are going to get the experience, and you are going to achieve, and that is what the objective of the marketing. All right. Fine, guys. So these are the three things that I thought of speaking with you. It has been completed. So I believe we all can able to go back to our places, and we can able to start our work whenever you are free, of course. And start doing the activities, and start learning the activities much faster. It will help you in the long run. Initially, you have to learn a lot. Then once the learning is done, then it's all about doing. That's all. Okay. And I will come up with some more ideas. I have one powerful lead generation technique that I will be spending my time to educate the one who is doing awesome work and who is so much committed. So I will inform him to generate the direct leads very quickly and easily, so that reducing the effort, he can able to make the conversions. So I'll be explaining that particular tip for him. And you can able to understand, guys. People who had not been engaged with us, they are not able to participate, and they can't able to learn, as well as they can't able to give it back to us. Anyway, so let us continue with the journey. And there is level one is getting ready. Level one is almost ready. So people will be picked up, and they will be assigned with some additional task, as well as I have some project works to be completed, like backlinking and etc etc. As well as I have some posting and etc works were there. So the plan is to make them to win. So the second level, which is level one, is we work and we earn. So that is what the concept is about. So in this model, I'll be throwing the opportunities for them, so wherever it is possible. So that is how we all can able to grow together. I wish everyone has to be successful, including me, in the near future, as soon as possible. Fine, guys. Thank you very much. So I'm about to end this conference. If you have any doubts, you can ask, and we can go back, and we can start our work. Thank you, Pramod. Perfect. So I'm about to end this session. Anyone wants to connect with me directly, I'm always available. So you can able to reach me through WhatsApp direct, and you can able to reach me wherever it is, wherever you require. And I will speak with you, Deepa, separately in a phone call. Thank you.